Okay, welcome. Today we're going to be flashing the Xiaomi Mi4. I believe that is its name. So let's just jump into it right away. Just go to your device and how do I call it? Activate developer mode, which I have already done. That's why that thing is popping up. After you've activated your developer, after you've tapped on that build number, just go back, find your settings. The Xiaomi settings menu is a bit weird. It took me a while to find my way around. Okay, these are the developer options. As you can see, that part is very important, so it's toggled on. Now just accept the debugging, the USB debugging, turn it on, and then go through the process of activating fast boot. And it's a process, so you need to go very slowly. Just keep tapping and tapping, and as you read the warnings and everything. Yeah, it takes a while. You just need to be patient a bit. Okay, now we're done. So after that is done, then you just get out of there. Just press home, whatever, go back to the home screen, whatever it takes, and turn off your phone. Just make sure you don't have any SIM cards or anything inside. I had left a SIM card inside here, but it could sometimes die if you make a mistake. So just enter fast boot mode, which is usually volume down and power button. Just as the Techno, this is also the same process. Volume down, power button, press it for a while, and that is it. Now we move on. Okay, in the I've put the links to all the tools that we're going to use specifically in this process in the description. So just go get those, and then we shall be on our way. I'm just going to extract them. This is the Mi Flash tool, so extract it wherever you want. I'm just going to extract it from here. Speed up this process, and after that you go for the ROM. Also extract the ROM because we need the ROM extracted. So that is the tool we have just done. So this is the ROM. I'm also going to put the link in the description so that anybody can get it if you want, and just extract the thing. It will take a while, by the way. This is just ×8 speed, so that's why it's moving too fast. And this is the ROM that we are going to be using. That's why it needs to be that open. So in the tool, now just open up the tool. Open it up, the Mi Flash tool. Look for it, it's very far. Okay, now that we are on the tool, all you need to do is select the file. We are going to get a few errors along the way, but we shall fix them. I just wanted you to see them so that you can find a way of. By the way, there are also drivers to be installed. So by the first time you do this, they will ask you to install some drivers which are very important, the Mi drivers and all that stuff. But after you're done with the drivers, then everything will be fine. It depends. Sometimes your computer might have it. I don't know whether you've worked with Me before, but if you haven't, just download the drivers and everything will be fine. Now here I just found the location of the location of the ROM. Find the address. So however you do it, just get the location and then go into that select menu and just paste it there, or you can just select it from there as well. I just did it a very different way. I don't even know why I did it like that. And this is the first error we have got. It's looking for a log folder. It's saying log the file path, but it's basically the log folder that it cannot find. So what you do, go into the Mi tool folder and create a log folder. Just name it log and create it. After that is done, that error should have been removed, and then you can press refresh again. Refresh basically looks for your phone. If you've connected it in fast boot, make sure you connect it in fast boot. After putting it in fast boot, connect it to your computer. Now that it has been found, just press flash, click flash, and just wait for it. it will take a long time. Okay, another error. Now this error, the next error that we got is all about this lock file. It says clear all and lock, which file is not there in the folder. So you need to use clear all, because the clear all file for the Mi ROM is available, but the clear all and lock is not available. As you can see, this one is there, but the other one is not available. So that is why it was giving that error. But once that is done, just press flash and you should be good. Okay, it's going to go through. It is going to take a very long time, so all you need to do is be patient and wait for it to get done. Okay, now at this point everything is good. By the way, everything is really good. The ROM has been flashed and it's doing good, but you're seeing the error because as you can see now, even the phone has been registered by the computer. The error is coming because there is some configuration that is by default, so I want to do this until success. That's why I'm doing it. So just go into your configuration and remove the string that is at the checkpoint and save it. Then you can just what I did, I went back into fast boot mode on my phone and just refreshed the whole thing. So just refresh, the phone is registered again, and press flash and click flash, so everything should be fine again, and it should go through the whole process smoothly, hopefully, and it should be done. There we go. Success. Now that is what I wanted to see. After that is done, the ROM is done. The ROM is already on the phone, and the phone will automatically restart, and you should see, there you go, it has registered. So that's it.